We are doing video repair number 2. We are at 4931 Morgan Street in Charlotte, North Carolina, 28208. We're at the back of the house. This is the shingles that are getting replaced. This one. So the objective is to see how the shingles fare after the shingle is replaced, how the ones above look. The whole thing freaks up. Oh, this is bad. He barely touched it. He barely touched it and it fell out. The shingles have no... Wow. Shingle above where it shows sign of damage just in the transfer and removal of one shingle. You got this. Now, we're trying to be as careful as we can to not damage the shingles above, but we've seen already that the shingles above already show sign of damage, which makes this repair inadequate. A waste of time. Unfortunately, this roof does not qualify for repairs. This roof has to be done with a full replacement. I'm hoping that the insurance will see it as we see it. Above. Placing nails on the shingles above the one that was replaced.
No nail.
No nail.
No nail.
No nail. No nail. Those have no nail. They have no nail. You see? See, they have nail. So pick it up and show that they have nail. No nail. These things have no nail. These things have no nail. The shingles have no nail. No wonder they're blowing out.